In this short video introduction, you will learn how to use the LCI Lean IPD Health and Maturity Tool. First, why an assessment? Well, for example, anyone who is concerned about their health goes to the doctor for regular checkups to assess their health and to spot any potential problems. Typically, it is the same battery of tests. Likewise, this Lean IPD assessment is a diagnostic tool that is useful to teams by providing a common approach to measure progress, to identify improvement opportunities, stimulate change by measuring month after month improvement, and provides a common reference across project teams and organizations. So let's get started. After downloading the file and opening the tool in Microsoft Excel, make sure to click on Enable Content to ensure the macros work. Save the file to your computer with whatever file name you choose. Enter the project name, and the names of the assessors. Now you're ready to start assessing the different Lean IPD elements that correspond to the book Transforming Design and Construction that you'll find at the LCI website in the Publications section. Begin by clicking on a category, then double-clicking on an element. When you click on the element, a pop-up will appear. You will see on the left-hand side a description of the element, and on the right-hand side, the characteristics for each scoring level. The scoring levels are from 0 to 5, 0 being unaware, 1 being aware, 2 are learning, 3 competent, 4 teaching, and finally 5 innovating. Enter assessment notes and comments. Enter the score, and press Done to complete the assessment for that element. And then repeat for the rest of the elements. Once all the elements are assessed and scored, it is time to look at the results. Click on the Output Graphic button to show the graphs. Click on the Assessor's Report button to access all the notes in a report format. There is also a high-level summary tab showing a composite of all the categories. Using the graphs, you can visually select the elements your team would like to target for improvement. The guidance for assessors is to first of all be encouraging to the team for taking the time and effort to take the assessment. When assessing, be cognizant that some teams that are new to Lean will typically score themselves higher than they actually are. And also, teams that are experienced will tend to score themselves lower. Then help the team to identify where to improve. More guidance can be found on the Assessor's Approach tab and the Assessor's Instructions tab in the tool. If you choose to use a previous assessment tool, save it under a new name. Change the project information, and then clear all the previous scores and comments using the Clear Scores button. Should you run into a problem using the tool, there is an FAQ tab that covers the most common solutions to the problems that could possibly occur. Now that you know the why of an assessment and how to do it, the only thing left is to do an assessment. This tool was developed through the collaborative effort of contributors and reviewers. Their expertise and time made this tool possible.